Run with the pack. Run with the back. I remember when they said we break, said we fall from the way we take. Every scar that we had to face, and a fight that we couldn't waste. Now the sound of the howl won't fade. Every step that we make's a wave. You can watch but you can't replace what we built when we had no name. Feel it under your skin now. Hear it calling you in now. The wolf pack climbing, we don't slow down. We don't slow down. Every voice getting louder right now. We rise up, you fade away. Every night, every day, we get stronger, we don't break. You fade away. You can try but you can't hold back. What we are when we run like that. Every line that you cross turn black. Now you're lost and you can't react. We don't stop, we adapt, attack. Every loss just reset the track. Now the pressure is pushing back. Feel the weight of the wolf pack. Yeah, count us out, now we count it up. Turn the doubt into something tough. Every voice now back